Alright guys, so a couple weeks ago I installed my Alta AP7 Pro access point, which is right over here. Sorry, the lighting in here is kind of not the best, but we're going to be doing a speed test on it. This is my loft area right here, so it is kind of central to the main part of my home. You have that open area down there that goes down to the living room, and then the bedrooms are off the loft. So this is where I put the AP7 Pro. I do have some AP6 Pros and an AP6 in wall spread out throughout the house as well. But if you're downstairs or up here, this is going to be the access point that you connect to. So we're not super close to it. We're across the loft. I'm all the way up against the wall on the other side. But we're going to go ahead and open up speed test on my iPhone 17 Pro Max here. So full Wi-Fi 7 device right here. This does support 320 megahertz of bandwidth, whereas the iPhone only goes up to 160. So that is what I have the AP7 Pro set to. It's just to broadcast at 160 because all my devices will max out there, so there's really no point in going higher. So you can get a little more speed, but a little less range if you go up to 320 if you have devices that support it. But we're going to go ahead and hit go. Now, just for clarification here, I am testing this on my actual internet. This is not between any local devices or anything like that. It's just straight up download speed over my internet connection, which is 2 gigabits per second down. So you can see we'll go ahead and start there. We have our ping will come up here in a second, which should be around 20 to 25, 24. But you can see here, being in the same room with the access point, we have 1.3 gigabits per second down. Now my upload speed's only 100. So it'll probably go to about, 115 is about the normal range that I get wired or wireless. So as you can see, we got the high score there, 1339 and 107. So pretty good. If I'm on any room, if I'm in any rooms outside the loft here, like one of the bedrooms, which down there, or one right here, I can get about 1 to 1.2 gigabits per second down, which is still very fair. And then, like I said, here in the room or downstairs, you're about 1.1 to 1.2, which is excellent, in my opinion, for a mobile device. I don't have any issues with that. I do plan on getting some more AP7 Pro access points once they're available on Amazon. Alta Labs was nice enough to send this out for review, and all my other equipment was also sent out by them, and I absolutely love their gear. I have my server closet right in here, kind of just a makeshift little closet off the loft here, but it's got my rack in it. So I've got their switch, their S12, their router, their controller, all that kind of stuff in here. And that AP is connected to a 2.5 gigabit per second port on their 48 port switch, but the actual AP itself does have a 10 gig port. So if you have something higher, it is capable of a 10 gig uplink. So just keep that in mind as well. But I don't have anything. I pretty much have a 2.5 gig network here. My download speed's 2 gig. The only thing that's connected via 10 gig would be my UNAS Pro connected to the S12 over SPF Plus. So I don't really need access points with a 10 gig uplink at the moment. 2.5 is plenty, and I do, like I said, plan on getting some more of these once they are available to put in my office and downstairs as well. So I will have full Wi-Fi 7 6 gigahertz coverage all over the house. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, check out the Alta Labs store. I will leave a link down below. These should be available coming up on Amazon towards the end of July is what they told me, and they're also available for installers through their distribution partners as well. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.